Hi, I'm Ben from Second Dynasty. In 2017, you helped launch Second Dynasty with Starship. And since then, we've delivered over 10 fully realized 28mm scale Starships. Now, we're excited to introduce GridForge, a revolutionary upgrade. GridForge is our next generation modular system that makes customizing your tabletop adventures effortless. With friction fit inserts and modular frames, you can swap floors and furniture in seconds, bringing speed and creativity to every game session. Plus, GridForge is fully backwards compatible with OpenLock tiles and our TNG system, so it can be used across all our existing products. Our base pledge starts with over 180 meticulously crafted 3D printable parts to get you started on your journey. Get more bang for your buck with the all-in pledge, including the breathtaking Hyperion Sphere and the upgrade to the Shuttle Alpha Mark IV. The Hyperion Sphere is a 3-floor masterpiece designed for ultimate versatility with stackable decks for tabletop play. We're also revisiting our classics like the Shuttle Alpha Mark IV. The GridForge compatible upgrade transforms it so you can easily customize your ship. We need your help to bring more floor tiles and items to GridForge. All unlocks are included with every pledge. GridForge launches exclusively on My Mini Factory's Frontiers platform. No waiting, no hassle, just innovation at your fingertips. So join us today and take your adventures to the next level.